Hey guys. So my room's been kind of getting messy lately and I need to clean it. So if you want to watch me clean my room, watch this video because it's gonna be satisfying. So let's just get straight into it because I have a lot of things to do and I need to clean this room really badly. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Here's a quick overview of my room currently. The bed needs to be made. This all needs to be taken care of. There's some clothes around here that I should probably deal with. And there's stuff over there. And there's just random things down there. And all these pictures are starting to peel off, so I want to fix that. That needs to be taken care of. It all needs to just be cleaned, so let's clean it now. Number one thing, you gotta clean the bed. Because once you do that, once you make the bed, everything just feels a lot better immediately. So we gotta fix this. Let's just do it. So wrinkly. Now let's put on the sheets and stuff. Wow, beautiful. Almost done. Pillow, pillow, pillow. Well, that was easy. Blanket, throw blanket. Next up, I have some laundry that I need to do, so I'm gonna put that in, and then once it's in, I'm gonna keep cleaning some more. Now let's quickly tackle this area. Nice. Looking good. Time to tackle this area. Let's start by getting rid of this fan, because it's winter. I mean, it's fall. I don't need this fan anymore. Wow, there's so much more space now. Now I'm just gonna clean this. Enjoy the time lapse. I love the way this looks. It looks so much cleaner and nicer. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, now on to the next thing. Let's fix this. Now let's tidy up this area. Alright, that area looks so much nicer just by folding the clothes. Now I'm going to empty all the trash cans in my room. It's a little gross, but I had to do it. They were overflowing. So for the main part, everything in my room is fixed, but I need to fix something with my photos. The edges are like peeling up, so I need to like add additional sticky tack to them. Before we start vacuuming, we gotta pick everything up on the ground so it doesn't run anything over. Alright, the floor is all cleared up and the beds are full of stuff. Now it's time to vacuum. Now we have to put all this stuff back. Don't worry, I fixed it. All clean. Now we gotta do my laundry. I finished cleaning everything. Let's see how it turned out.